Alright folks, it's Bob here from Ikankarv. So as most of you know, I haven't really been posting lately because I've had a wee bit of private stuff to deal with. So I haven't really been too creative, to be honest with you guys. So I got this wee box spike, I got a parcel sent over and I've got this box delivered to me, and it's a mystery box. I haven't got a clue what's in it or who it's from or whatever, to be honest. So I thought I'll do a wee unboxing video. This will be my first video I've done, probably in about 2 months nearly. I was working on a wee squirrel there for the trail. I got the squirrel all done. I've still to do the video for that and put the video out for it. But apart from the squirrel, I haven't really been carving too much, guys. So I got this wee parcel. It's a mystery box and I'm going to open it up here. We'll see what's in it. And then I've also got myself a carving bar came yesterday. So I'm hopefully going to do a wee bit of a carving bar today with a chainsaw. And see what else we can get done. So hopefully get back to posting again soon. I want to say a wee thank you to the ones that contacted me, concerned, wondering was he okay. Really appreciate that there. It was very kind of you. There was a couple of you done it, so thanks very much, but all good now. So here we go, guys. I have not seen what's in this. I literally just cut the tape on it. So I'm going to open her up. I maybe need to cut more of it. There we go. Here we go, guys. Chris. This is Chris, the Reaper. Bro, what are you at? Well guys, I think I know who this wee mystery box might be from. Let's get these scissors here. I think this is right. This is a gift from Conor McGregor's coach. There we go. But I wanted to send you a carving for a while. I just hadn't found the right one. I love what you are doing with the spirit trails in your area, and I like our chats and interactions. Love seeing your work as it comes to life. Keep kicking ass on those carvings, bro. I got sneaky with getting your address. Spike helped me with this. Have an awesome day. Oh bro, your friend Chris, the Viking warrior. Hey bro, thank you very much for that there, alright bro. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Oh, love that, bro. Thank you very much, Chris, bro. Unreal. Now remember, guys, sign your pieces. That's cheered me up now, bro. I wasn't expecting that. And see you, Spike, lad. I'll be having a word with you. These boys doing some sneaky moves on me. Happy days. Thanks very much, bro. Really appreciate that, mate. Check that out, guys. The Joker Smoker. That's awesome, bro. Thank you. What else is in this wee box here, you smokers? What's in this, guys? I'll set this down here. Thank you very much, bro, for that, mate. Let's see what's this here. Whoa. Check that out. Black walnut? You serious, bro? I haven't got to try black walnut yet. Look at that, guys. Wicked, bro. Bit speechless here now, bro. That's amazing, mate. Thank you very much. Here's another wee chunk here, guys. See what this is. Saber. carve it, sand it well, beautiful grain. That's amazing, mate. Thank you very much, bro. There we go, guys. That's what was in my mystery box. Some beautiful walnut. Do a nice wee carving on that. And it's coming into the windy, rainy weather now, so I'll be back into the wee tent inside, hopefully, doing some smaller carvings. Just been practicing with a chainsaw, but I'll say a big thank you to Chris, Viking Warrior. And everybody go and check him out too. I'll put some links in the description and stuff and all, because you just want to go and check him out. He's starting to do wee live streams and stuff. His live streams are great. Chris knows his stuff about his wood. And plus it's not every day you get to have a conversation with Conor McGregor's coach, guys, like, so hop on over there and check out Coach Kavanagh. And that's amazing, bro. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. And my wee carving too. That is class. I think I maybe even suggested for you to paint that purple too, bro. That's crazy. Well, big thank you. Hope everybody's keeping alright. Staying creative. Get the pumpkins done. Before you know it, Jordy's going to have his all doing Christmas trees, so get the pumpkins done, guys, now out of the way. There we go. Some beautiful wood to add to the wee collection. Get them carved up soon here, bro. Probably before Christmas. And I'm going to put this with all my other wee carvings I have. That's the start of my wee collection. So thanks very much, bro. I'll get a chat with you later, sure.